Mexxej Ewropej u anke Arab laqgħu l-hekk imsejjaħ pjan għal paċi imħabbar jumejn ilu mill-President Amerikan Donald Trump u l-Prim Ministru Iżraeljan Benjamin Netanyahu. Għalkemm l-attenzjoni issa iddur fuq se tkun ir-risposta tal-Ħamas li jikkontrolla l-medda ta' Gaża u għandu fidejh 20 ostaġġ ħaj Iżraeljan, l-Ambaxxatur Palestinjan għal Malta, Fadi Hanani, fisser dan il-pjan 20 punt bħala pass fid-direzzjoni tajba.
The Palestinian state has decided that this is the plan that we value and we sincerely are grateful for President Trump for his efforts to put an end finally to the war in Gaza after 2 years of continuous genocide against our people. This plan comes in a time where the international community has decided to finally recognize the Palestinian rights to have their state, and Malta was one of the countries that have recognized Palestine as a state after 50 years of continuous strong bonding relationship between Palestine and Malta.
Il-pjan ta' Trump imsejjes fuq 20 punt jipproponi fost oħrajn waqfin immedjat mill-ġlied, ir-ritorn tal-ostaġġi u twaqqif ta' bord tal-paċi biex titmexxa Gaza. Però fuq kollox, it-19 punt iwitti triq għal prinċipju ta' stat Palestinjan jekk intlaħqu ċertu kundizzjonijiet. Minkejja li l-pjan tħabbar f'konferenza konġunta bejn Trump u Netanyahu, il-Prim Ministru Iżraeljan għamilha ċara li Iżrael se jibqa' jopponi b'qawwa din l-idea. Mistoqsi dwar din id-dikjerazzjoni, l-Ambaxxatur Palestinjan saħaq li mhux Iżrael jiddeċiedi.
It's not up to Israel to decide if there be a Palestinian state or not. We have so many UN resolutions, we have so many international humanitarian resolutions that calls for a Palestinian state. And finally, the international community is moving towards implementing the Palestinian state, living along an Israeli state. As you know, we have recognized Israel's right of existence in 1988 and 1933 during the Oslo Agreement. And we were supposed to have our independent state after the 5-year interim period. Yes, Israel has denied that they will allow a Palestinian state. So many Israeli ministers are against the idea of even allowing people to stay in Gaza. But the new Trump plan confirmed that people will be staying in Gaza. They will not be forced to leave Gaza. And most important, there will be Palestinians who will be leading the new administration of Gaza.
F'dan il-kuntest huwa tkellem dwar il-ħtieġa li t-territorji kollha Palestinjani jitwaħħdu flimkien bil-ġdid biex bekk l-Istat Palestinjan ikun jista' jsir realtà.